So, we had an adventure the other day, and we went to visit a gold mine and some other kind of mine, and we got to see some ruins of an old town. In the meantime, I tried to put my drone up in the air. What happened was my fault completely. I didn't put the battery all the way in till it clicked, and it went up. It flew for a bit, and battery fell out. The drone fell straight down, and we spent 45 minutes looking for the drone. So I bought a new item that I came home and looked at. It is called the VIFLY strobe anti-collision drone light. And so this light goes on top of the drone so that other people can see it, particularly planes or whatever, I don't know, whatever. But my thought was, if it has a blinking light on it, it would make it much easier to find if it goes down. So stand by for the unboxing. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Oh, hi Fury. Hi Max. They came to see. Curiosity killed the cat, but as my wife tells me all the time, satisfaction brought him back. So here's the light, and it unhooks. It comes with a charging cable, and the light is about yay big. It comes with, oh geez Louise, oh my gosh, it comes with two Velcro things so you can interchange it between two separate drones, I think. Or you can take it off one drone to be, oh, but if I cut it in half, I should probably read the instructions. It might need to be charged. Oh, I could cut these in half and put half on each drone. That would work out nicely. Okay, let me charge this thing up and we'll get back to it. So I thought I would read the instructions, and right now, because I pressed the button with it up close to my eyes, all I'm seeing is little blue balloons inside my eyeballs. But default is white LED strobe. It has a red LED strobe, a red LED flash, and a green LED strobe, and a green LED solid. So let me turn the camera and show you just exactly how bright this is. I don't think I'm ever going to lose a drone again. Hey, I'll let you know how it works out. As a matter of fact, hold on. Let me cut these in half and put them on the drones. Okay, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, and it's even worse because I am left-handed, and I'm going to try to do this with my right hand. There's Mr. Curious. There's Other Curious. I might have to put this down for a second. That worked out nicely. Now, both of my drones are Holy Stone drones. I'm not particularly partial to Holy Stone. They're the ones I started out with. And to give a shout out to Jessie's Drone Adventures, I bought the second Holy Stone before I saw his review of the DJI. So sometime in my future is probably a DJI. So I cleaned off the top of the drone, and I stuck that right there. And now I'm going to flip this over and peel back this. Sorry for the darkness. I peeled back the sticky stuff and stuck it on the bottom of the strobe. And there, it just mounts straight on the drone. So while I'm doing this, I'll peel back the sticky stuff on here and stick this on the other DJI. And now I can put it between the two. Although it looks a little tall, so let's see if it closes without turning on. Oh yeah. Oh, very nice. Oh, get out of there, Mr. Nosy. That's Fury. He's still a kitten. Someday he's going to just be Fury and stop being a Fury. So anyway, I'll do another video sometime to let you know how it works, but it seems like this is going to be the perfect solution to losing drones. Hey, thanks for watching. And a special shout out to Jessie at Jessie's Drone Adventures. Check his channel out. He does some really excellent exploring. He is 10,000 times the content creator that I am. And I learn from him. I don't care that he's 2 times younger than I am. I will absolutely learn from anybody. But check out Jessie's channel if you get a chance. Okay.